The 2025 Lynk Co. 08 Hybrid is a mid-size crossover SUV that combines performance, efficiency, and advanced technology. The vehicle pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver a combined output of 424 horsepower. This impressive power plant allows the 08 Hybrid to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 seconds. Thanks to its 39.6 kWh battery pack, the 08 Hybrid can cover an electric-only range of up to 245 km based on the CLTC testing cycle, making it a versatile option for both urban driving and longer journeys. The cabin is designed to keep you connected and informed. You can expect a 15.4-inch central touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle settings, alongside a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving data at a glance. The vehicle supports modern connectivity options, including smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced driver assistance systems that help improve both safety and convenience. The exterior of the 08 Hybrid reflects contemporary design trends with a sleek, aerodynamic profile. The styling cues are in line with Lynk Co.'s distinctive design language, offering a look that's both modern and refined. In the Chinese market, the 2025 Lynk Co. 08 Hybrid is priced attractively with a starting price of approximately $27,300 USD. This makes it a compelling choice in its segment, especially given the advanced features and performance it offers. The combination of powerful hybrid performance, a high-tech interior, and competitive pricing positions the 08 Hybrid as a strong contender for buyers seeking both luxury and efficiency in an electric-driven SUV. The 2025 Lynk Co. 08 Hybrid merges state-of-the-art technology with impressive performance credentials and modern aesthetics. Whether you are looking for a vehicle with extended electric range for daily commutes or a hybrid powerhouse for dynamic driving experiences, the 08 Hybrid appears ready to meet those challenges.